Hi, I am Amal Baby and I am an intern in Yosho.com as a finance intern. Today I like to discuss about small cases. What is small case? Small cases are a curated theme-based portfolios developed by Small Case Technologies, a fintech company launched in 2016 by three IIT Kharagpur graduates. It allows investors to park their funds according to their convention, and lately they have become the talk of the town. The platform enables one-click investment in a basket of portfolio of stocks and ETFs in a specified weightage to reflect certain themes or strategies called small cases. Usually, these portfolios are created by a team of analytics and have small ticket size, making it the prominent among retail investors. So, when someone says that they have bought a small case, it means they have bought a certain basket of stocks offered on the platform. Some themes or strategies investors may go for while buying a small case is digital businesses or momentum stocks or value stocks or stock tied rural demand, etc. How many small case? As of now, 250 basket of stock exist and 120 of them are managed by SEBI registered small case managers. In fact, anyone registered with SEBI can offer a basket of stock on the small case platform. The most popular small case portfolio managers are Windmill Capital, a subsidiary of Platform Small Case. There is also Weak Investing run by Alok Jain, Capital Mind run by Deepak Shenai, and so on. How to buy a small case? You need to contact one of the 12 brokers who are tied up with small case. Through them, you should be able to view the small cases on offer and decide which one to buy. An important thing features of the small case basket is control. When the small case portfolio is rebalanced or updated by its managers, you have the option to apply the change or skip it. You can also make the change to the update before applying it, so you are in control of your portfolio. And thank you. That's all about my topic. Thank you.